Today I am working on repairing the liftgate handle trim piece on my wife's Prius. This same piece broke in basically the same way on my Prius, so I figure this may be a common problem. So what happens is these little square-headed bolts are what hold this in. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 goes there. These are kind of set in here and they pop off. So what I like to do with this is you basically take a file, and when you open this up there's a little lip right here. I take this file and file that down. I actually took some wire cutters and just snipped it a little bit and then filed that piece out of there. So then this will just go right back in there, and we're gonna just stick it in there with some JB Weld just to kind of hold it in. This piece right here is cracked right there, so we're gonna put a little JB Weld right there. This one over here is completely cracked off, so we're gonna put JB Weld on there.